Is that ordinary cheese bread, you may be wondering? Nah, this is pão de queijo. Originating from Brazil, pão de queijo is cheese bread made using tapioca flour instead of regular flour to give it that chewy consistency. To make 4 of these chew-worthy buns, we'll use a 1/4 cup of butter and melt it on medium heat. Then stir in 1/4 cup of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and let it reach a boil. Remove from heat and combine with your 1 cup of tapioca flour. It's optional, but I also added in 1 teaspoon of Italian-style seasoning. The dough should be really clumpy and look similar to cauliflower heads. Now add in 1 beaten egg and stir in 1/3 cup of shredded cheddar. I added more because I love cheese. You'll divide it into 4 portions on parchment paper. If you want, you can shape it lightly into a bun with your hands. Then put it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once you take it out, let it cool for a few minutes before testing it out. See, it looks like a normal cheese biscuit, right? But looks are deceiving. Now break your bread in half and enjoy your chewy bread pulls. You might be wondering, how does it taste? I don't know if it's just me, but it tastes exactly like a cheese bun, and it's only the chewy tapioca texture that makes you think, whoa, is this cheese bread? Wow! It's definitely the most unique type of bread I've ever tried, and hopefully you can try it out too. Thank you for watching, and check out my channel for more recipes. Bye for now!